So hey guys, it's me, CWJTV, and today we are going to make an origami dog. What did the dog say when he sat on the sandpaper?
What did he say?
Ruff, ruff. What you will need is scissors, something to write with, some paper, and some tape. What you'll need to do first is fold the paper. Folding the paper. Now you will need to fold it again until it's shaped like this, like a triangle. And then you have to open it, then make the ears. Basically, you do the ears like this, and the ears like this, until it's like this, and then here it is. Now, basically you just do this. Yeah. And then you need to do the same thing again. Now it's done. Now you just need to tape it. I already cut some pieces of tape, so let's just get to it. This is clear tape, so you can just see. This is clear tape, but if you don't have clear tape, you could just use some other tape and then tape it. Yeah. Take this guy down, and then this guy. This big guy. And now you need to make the face. There you have it. Gonna make the body. Time to cut. Be careful because you don't want to cut the dog's legs off. Now you glue the head together. There you have it, an origami dog. What did the dog say when he sat in the sandpaper?
What?
Ruff. See you next time on CWJTV. What you will need is scissors, something to write with. CWJTV, create with me.